Hi, my name is Danny. I'm one of Woodland Direct's NFI certified Master Hearth Professionals. Today we're going to be talking about the Summerset TRL Deluxe 44-inch built-in grill. This grill is constructed of 304 grade stainless steel and features a double-line hood that will stay cool to the touch even while cooking. Created with more than just style in mind, this grill was designed with heavy-duty 9mm cooking grates and an easy-to-clean briquette system. Giving you superior grilling power, it is equipped with the flamethrower ignition and 4 cast stainless steel burners that produce up to 80,000 BTUs over a 1,251 square inch cooking surface. With the heat zone separators, you'll be able to control temperature in different areas of the grill, creating a more controlled cooking experience. The included rotisserie gives you additional cooking options and can be easily installed and uninstalled when not in use. Front LED lights and interior halogen lighting make cooking in the evening easier than ever before. Though this grill was built to last, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty to ensure to be a great addition to your backyard for years to come. If you want to purchase this grill or any of our other Summerset grills, head on over to woodlanddirect.com or give us a call at 800-919-1904.